3 facts why dad should be appreciated more. First, daddies are more fun to be with. Aminin natin yan, mga mommies. Especially when the kids are younger, dads are really playful. And when the kids grow up to be teenagers, ang mga daddies naman ang napakadaling lapitan para humingi ng budget for shopping and for dating. Tama ba yan, mga anak? Nako, mga daddies, pressure yan sa inyo. Actually, sinadya ko yan para mawala ang pressure sa aming mga mommies. Anyways, second, daddies can really be protective. Diba, daddies? No matter what, you really try to keep a brave heart and a strong spirit, even if you are terrified. Wala kayong choice. Kaya mga anak, recognize your dad's love for you. Kasi sila, gagawin nila ang lahat to be protective, to be the warriors in your life, no matter what. Third, daddies are really great providers of needs and wants at marami pa dyang mga extras and bonuses. Konting lambing lang, bibigay rin agad yan. Period. Kaya naman mga daddies, you know you are on the right track if your sons look up to you and your daughters adore you so much. Kaya naman, ipagpatuloy, galingan, mas galingan pa. At syempre, proud kami sa inyo.